to me.
14 plus 20.
Hey.
Y'all really got them where you want them. Y'all done convinced them that y'all sorry and y'all can't play. Look, y'all got that.
That's the truth, though.
Came a long way from school. We done
Get some shots. Get some shots. I will say my team has been getting a little bit better than what I'm expecting. I mean, we still the worst team until we get a dub. We do play a top team in Texas. They're called Pro Skills. I don't know if y'all know about them. Am I worried? Yes, absolutely. Because look at these niggas right here.
The man is back. What you guys say for your debut? 2025.
Easy buckets.
How much you giving me? Like 40? Easy 40?
Easy fun.
You are going viral.
Hey, I'm gonna go viral for the right reasons this time.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Play the clip.
It's like, it's low-key on point, but it just looks so nasty, bro. Now, we are looking for new recruits every tourney, so if y'all boys know anybody that's cold at basketball, let me know in the comments, preferably somebody with a single mama and a big old booty, you hear me?
He in there for a reason. Get him out. Whoa.
There we go. Hey, watch number 8. Y'all know what I'm talking about. He's a shooter, bro.
Why is he a shooter? It's 2-0.
I'm not racist, but like, come on, let's be real, bro.
Go back. Oh my God.
Jay, you just let this man score, bro. That's crazy. Gotta get that pass.
McFlurry.
Bro, I need a slow-mo on that shit.
This nigga know he wasn't gonna block that shit.
Oh, you man. McFlurry. Oh my God, you making me nervous.
McFlurry's not even paying attention. He's like talking to people in the middle of the court, bro. I know it's your fault, bro. I know.
I got confirmation from the filmer. David Mata is coming as well.
Oh my God.
Two top 8th graders.
We got 2 top 8th graders coming the next game. If you don't know, the next game, we play Not So Air Jordan. So y'all run these likes up. We get to 2,000, 3,000 likes. I'm gonna drop that bitch.
Get the ball up. Get the ball up.
McFlurry, relax. You scaring me, bro. This nigga gonna catch it and shoot. He don't take dribbles at all.
Hey, corner. Hey, do y'all know y'all man?
What's up with your balance, bro?
He gave me that head nod and shit.
About time you tried something. I thought you were playing. About time.
Oh, he gonna stay around there.
Gonna be a block. He a football player. He
Didn't even recognize McFlurry. That's crazy.
Yeah, McFlurry got swole. If y'all don't know, McFlurry is a first team all district last year, y'all, in football. So he's trash at basketball, but cold at football.
Bro,
Ain't no way you shot that for real, bro. Hey, no.
Bro, that's insane.
Oh my goodness! I could have scored more than that.
Give me 3. Boom. Hey, y'all get a man. Y'all get a.
Hey, that's pretty good.
You not trying to do it.
Hurry up.
Why did he do that shit?
Look.
Aiden, don't inbound the ball. Stay middle. Stay middle every time. I guarantee he inbounds the ball the next way. Watch
We
they
gonna
do
see.
that.
No way.
I guarantee it.
Give me that shit.
Ain't no way these kids 14, bro.
Hey, turn.
Why y'all not turning? Jesus Christ. Boy, I almost talked on you, boy. If you was a grown man, it would have went bad for you. It would have went bad for you, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. Andy. Oh, Lord. Look, one big thing is when y'all shoot the ball, it feels like y'all are literally only looking this way. Like y'all don't get back, y'all don't do nothing. Y'all just shoot it and go like this. And it's 3 people running behind y'all.
Y'all really got them where you want them. Y'all done convinced them that y'all sorry and y'all can't play. Look, y'all got that. Y'all
That's the truth, though.
Yeah, fellas, we screwed, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Get back. Look what you're doing again, Jay. Get back.
They're like not using basketball IQ. It's driving me fucking crazy right now.
Screen, get a screen. Yeah.
Bro, how old are you, bro?
14.
You lying to me.
14.
You lying to me. 14 plus 20. I see that man at the club the other day.
Got again.
It's a 3-point game, and we playing the top team. One of the top teams in Texas.
I don't know why Coach on you. I don't know why.
Haters gonna hate at the end of the day.
Hey, you know how motherfuckers be saying, like, bro, my high school coach, like, fucked me up?
That's gonna be
That's it
McFlurry.
right now.
Yeah. I could have been in the league, but my coach was hating on me. Boom! Look at Keyshawn.
Hey, he's hitting hard.
Hey, I think
Aiden, go middle. Stay middle, Aiden. Don't leave middle.
Oh, that would have been nice. I ain't gonna lie, that would have been nice.
Hey, y'all look scared. Jay. It's like driving me crazy because they're just letting them go when you could just cut it off.
Hey, bro. Who the hell is this boo?
Who is you? Hold on, how do you got this tattoo?
Hey, hands off my players. What's this score? Y'all losing? Y'all losing?
Hey, what grade are y'all in?
This
Don't
ain't
lie.
varsity material.
Tell the truth.
I'm an 8th grader. I'm 13.
Crash. Hey,
I'm 13 years old.
Hey, this is the battle for the South.
Certified 13.
Hell nah, you recruited. These are my blood.
This is my little brother.
Exactly.
Be real. You think he a good coach? Be real. Come on. Mediocre.
Hey!
If I shot you at 50 yards, you want to play for me? And you start the whole game. What, Crash? What?
Hey, he recruiting. Boy, you leave me boys up for you.
Hey, McFlurry, what you thinking, gang? What you think? I ain't gonna lie, they're here right now. That $50 bill here right now. Hey, and it come with lifetime warranty, cuz. Lifetime warranty. I might need that. Hey, non-refundable.
All right, y'all, so it was a close game when I was watching. This nigga Jordan done interrupted. Now we down 20. I don't even know how that's possible. All right, fellas. I ain't even gonna say I'm disappointed y'all this time. I'm actually pretty impressed. We played arguably one of the top teams in Texas. And it was a close game until we got interrupted by not so Jordan and them boys. How you feel about it, McFlurry?
We suck. We always gonna suck. And yeah.
I was playing like Serge Ibaka today. I feel good.
My name is Chef
Serge.
Scotty. Chef Scotty.
Bro, why Serge Ibaka though? Like,
Yeah, that's a hell of a But yeah, man, if y'all watch this far, please like this vid. Spam CDG in the comments because we got a viral vid for y'all, the next one. I don't know when I'm dropping it, but it's gonna be soon. So we out this bit. Big game shit.
See, I started this shit with some green. I came up and then turned on my city and